The last type of vehicle is fully autonomous operation. These are currently fleet vehicles with Waymo robotaxis, an example that's out there deployed at limited scale in operation. There's also significant interest in middle-mile trucks. So those are heavy trucks that go from depot to depot, typically on interstate highways or the equivalent. And that gained a lot of interest in 2020 to beef up the logistics supply chains. The safety approach early on is there's a human safety driver. So in fact, the human is responsible for safety, but the hope is that as the technology matures, that the driver can be removed, which Waymo has done at this point, and there's a human on call for help, but the car is supposed to know to ask for help. It should not, in the end, be a case where a human is always continuously watching to make sure nothing goes wrong. California has reported a number of incidents, typically low severity. Typically, the higher severity ones are blamed on other drivers, and many of the low severity incidents are that the automated vehicle gets rear-ended by another human driver.